Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving the problem good subsequences and it was asked in CodeChef contest starter 200. So let's read out the problem and it is saying good subsequences. So a subsequence B is called good if B of I mod 2 is not equals to B of I minus 1 mod 2. Okay, so basically the adjacent elements, their mod 2 has to be not equal. So which means the adjacent element has to be either even or odd. So it shouldn't be like odd odd or even even. So meaning of this statement is that. So what we have is now for all I greater than equals to 2 and less than equals to modulus b. So it is one based indexing. Uh, for example, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are good subsequences, but 1, 3 are not. Because in this case, if we do 1 modulo 2, which is 1, and 3 modulo 2 is also 1. So both the mods are equal, which means both are odd numbers. But if you see in this case, 1, 2, 3, so 1 modulo 2 if you do, it is 1, and 2 modulo 2 if you do, that is 0. So both are not equal. So if you say this is odd and this is even. So yeah, you are given an array A of length n, find the length of the largest subsequence of A, that is good. So let's try to take input int t c in t while t minus minus. So this will take care of all the test cases. For every test case, let's call a function solve, and for every test case we have integer n, and we have n values in the next line. So we have taken those values. Now understand some of the example. They've given 3 example. In the first example, what we have is 5 elements 1, 1, 2, 6, 3. So we have 1, 1, 2, 6, 3, and n is 5 here. This is vector v. So if you try to find according to the condition, what they're saying is in array b of I elements, if you do mod with 2, it should have to be equals to b of I minus 1 mod 2 your this I is less than equals to length of b, which is n you can think of, and I is greater than equals to 2. So it is one based indexing. So how do you solve this problem? I think I have explained this just now. Like according to this condition, is that adjacent elements has to be odd even or even odd, because both the cases are valid, right? So and subsequence meaning, I think you guys know, they are asked to find the longest subsequence. Subsequence are basically if you try to think of this array, so 1, 1, 6, 3, this is one of the subsequence. If you say 2 is skipped here, but order of the elements are maintained. And if you take 1, 2, 3 also, this is also subsequence of this, because 1 and 6 are skipped here, but order of the elements are maintained. If you take 6, 3, this is also subsequence. But if you take 3, 6, this is not a subsequence, because 3 comes after 6 in the original array, but in the subsequence you are taking previously. So this is not a subsequence. So I think you guys got to know meaning of the subsequence. Now in order to solve this, it's kind of easy only. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking I'll be starting with first element. I'll be taking it as in the subsequence. I'm trying to make the longest subsequence. So in that there are two possibilities according to this condition. First element can be odd or it can be even, right? So I will try to find first odd element. From the starting I will try to one. So we have one is odd element. Now I'll move next. But now according to this condition, my second element has to be even, because their modulus has to be not equal, modulus with 2. So 1 is not the right, so I'll be moving. So 2 we have got it. So next I'll be trying to find the odd element, but we don't have here. This is the odd element, so I'll be taking 3. So when I start with odd, so I've got 1 2 3 as one of the subsequence. Now this is one of the, if you do this thing, if you start with odd, so definitely this will be the longest subsequence which starts with odd number, right? We start with odd number. Now let's try to find the subsequence which start with even number. So in this array, if you try to find the first one, you will not be getting even. Second, this is even what you are getting. So you'll be putting 2 as answer. Okay. This is one of the subsequent that you have got. Now you'll be moving your pointer to at this position. But according to this, your next element has to be odd. But you don't have here odd, so you'll be moving pointer to here. So you have got here, and you're ending out of the loop. So which means if you see, if you start with odd element, you have got 3 as the longest subsequence, and if you start with even, you've got 2. So obviously this is answer. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to basically find subsequence starting with odd and even, and if you find whichever has larger elements, that will have to return it out. So that's the meaning of this question. I think you guys got to know. Let me try to code it up. So I'll not be storing in a vector, I'll be using simple variables. Let me take count 1, or let me take odd count, okay, which will be initially 0, and one more will be even count, which means it is like let me comment this also here. Starts with odd. Okay, I will take a boolean variable which defines which element that we can choose. So odd initially, because I am starting the element with odd, so it is true. I'll be running through this loop. Now what I'll do is I'll see if the element what you're finding is odd, and what I'll do is I'll see, okay, the element finding is odd, and the element v of I modulus 2 is equals to what, which means it is odd. So you have got the right element, so you will be adding it to subsequence. Adding subsequence here means odd count, I'll be increasing it by 1, and the next element what I'll be finding now is even, because we need to find odd even subsequence. So your odd will be reversed to basically it will be reversed. If it is true, it will be false. If it is, so this is one of the conditions. Else, if odd is false, which means now you are finding the even number. So we will be checking if I modulus 2 equals to 0, which means even number you have found it. Now your odd count, which means in this subsequence you are adding it. So I'm not maintaining vector as a subsequence in order to do a space optimization. I'll be using this variable. So now your odd value whatever you have, you will just reverse it, meaning it was finding even element, but now you will be finding next odd element, because you will need to make sure odd even pair. So yeah, this is done. Now let me do same thing starting with even. Starts with even, so I'll be now finding even odd count, right? This odd count I'll be putting it as, and since I've defined this odd variable above, I'll be now defining one more time. I'll be simply making the solve mean odd fall means we need to find the even number. Give me a second. So yeah, let me continue. So we are finding subsequence which start with even, so our odd will be false, and this code goes as it is, but here you need to change the even count, right? And here also the same thing, and at the end This is fine. Now at the end you'll have to return the maximum of odd count, comma, even count. That's it. Let's try to run it. We should be getting 341, and indeed we are getting. Let's try to submit it. What is happening? Let me try to check it. So, so your contest had ended. That is fine. Let's try to refresh, and let's try to run it one more time. Okay, so I think now the contest has ended. So right now we are not able to submit it. But yeah, this code will work because I have submitted in the contest. As you can see, I have solved it. So this was the problem, solution. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.